Here is Seasol app. So Seasol social networking, AI chat. Seasol transform the way you connect with AI. Chatbots feels alive. Create your own character, generate stunning images, daily free conversations, endless exploration. So this is kind of the best alternative to Chai app. It's very similar to Chai actually. The design and everything. You can see it's in top charts in social networking. So here, let's just open it up and then let's just explore it. So for example, here is, you can just go and chat, and then this is the idea. And then yeah, here is just what you're having. Restart chat to normal, share, and then yeah, you can see to send additional message in here. A report, you can see user special, which you can buy for $2. Chat bubbles, continuous Seasol Max. Here's just what you have. Then you create AI character, create posts, create images, create chats, create group, support message. Here is your account. There is shop, where you can just buy some coins. There is tasks. You can post comment. You can get shop, get task, get AI bots, and get settings. Discord, Twitter, Fidelity account, user ID, sign out, blocked users, language. You can just see the personal info, region, tags, and here is there again. So that's what it is. So as you can see, quite basic, but quite nice, easy design. Now all these advanced additional features which you don't use, and it's a great app.